guys, my name is Michael. I'm part of the media department of Amazing Discoveries, and you are probably wondering what's going on here. So we are in Washington DC. If you guys are following our channel, you probably already saw on our previous videos, and we are preparing here for tonight's event. It's gonna be the release of our book, Wisdom, the Truth Behind Success, and we are just getting ready here right now for the event this evening at 4 PM PST time. We're gonna be doing a live, and Ron Meinhardt is gonna be doing a lecture here, talking a little bit about the book, and we're gonna show you a little bit of what's going on here right now. We have here Gerald.
All right, hey, what's up, AD fam? I got the inside scoop. Brother Ron's gonna be having this epic talk, talking about abstaining from addictions, alcohol, and cigarettes and such, right? It's gonna be bomb. So in order to hype it all up, there's gotta be a really good 1-minute intro.
Hey Gerald, but I have a question. Does this video means that we are supporting Trump, or that we are doing any kind of material to promote Trump?
You know, I support abstaining from alcohol, and he has a passion and a drive for it like no other president that I've seen in my culture, in my generation. There's many things that he says that I may personally disagree with, but I'm all for having a culture today that can have a clear mind, that can be able to read the scriptures and be able to receive it with love, and to be able to start practicing a Christian lifestyle. It's the most important thing.
Hello, this is Todd here, and I'm here to volunteer in the live production, and we are currently setting up for tonight's 7 p.m. broadcast tonight. So what does it take? The question is, what does it take to actually put together a live event? Well, it takes a lot of equipment, and that's what we're doing right now is we're setting up, and we have some time to actually do a sound check and actually test all the equipment to make sure the audio and the video is working, but I want to show you a little bit behind the scenes. So here we go. Okay, so here's where everything happens. We have the audio board, we have the video switching, we have different monitors set up, and we have the recording equipment here in the rack. I'll just kind of give you a little sneak peek. And down here, this is where it all comes together. Cameras come together in here and get recorded, and they actually get recorded onto specific devices on SSD drives. We got lighting control. We have lights, spotlights from the back that gets controlled. We have special lights that are used for atmosphere that bounce off the walls. We have audio that gets from the presenter to the back here, and then it goes into the production. Anyway, so there's a lot of things happening. We got a whole team here, and we're excited. We're excited to be able to put all these talents to work for God's kingdom. So stay tuned.